So we'll move into the drawing mode today. Okay, drawing mode. What are we going to do? We are going to draw a man. Okay, so here is one man, a simple man with two hands, two legs, and then we will make a circle in his left hand and rectangle in his right hand. Circle in his left hand and rectangle in his right hand. Now the next thing we will be doing is we will be making a mirror. Okay, I made a mirror. Yes, Fiona, say what happened.
Ma'am, should we also draw that left and right?
Yes.
And also, and what should we get?
That's what I'm showing you. This is the original image and this is the mirror image. So I am showing you that.
We should get notebook, pencil, and eraser.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Fiona. Okay.
Because I heard it pen.
Okay. Jian, say what happened.
That means if circle is there in left hand, it should come in right hand.
Yeah, that's right, Jian.
We will
so
also
I
see,
have.
we will also see in the mirror, no, ma'am. Our left hand will come there, right hand will come there.
Correct. So you can note down now the drawing and state this further. How will you state this further? You will say, ma'am, when we see this drawing, we understand that what happens in the mirror images? The top and bottom changes or remains the same? Tell me, changes or remains the same? Look at the OI, that's the original image, and look at the MI, that's the mirror image. It remains the same, says Swarnim. Others? Meera, same. Shiven, same. That's right. It will remain the same. And what will change? The left and right will change. So note this down quickly in your notebooks, and once you're done, you can write a done in the chat. Good, Jian. In mirror images, only the top, like see, only the left and the right will change. Good for the thumbs. Thank you, Pratiksha. Okay, thank you, Shankar and Amoka. Thank you, Meera, for letting me know. Vivan also done. Very nice. Thank you. Athar, thank you. Jian, very good. Thank you. Always remember one thing. The major area of mistake is not in finding the mirror image or the water image. The major area of mistake is where the students confuse and do double rotation. What is double rotation, guys? Double rotation is a scenario in which you would see what will happen. The top and bottom will also change, and the left and right will also change. So one option will be like that, but you people are very smart and you will not fall in the trap, and you would remember this, that the very good Ayush, that left and right will only change and my top and bottom will remain the same. Since you guys are done, yes, Ronak?
Ma'am, actually I had some bad internet connection. That's why I joined from another number. But after the break, you're saying something about a notebook. Something.
Yeah, I was asking you to draw this in your notebook or take a screenshot, Ronak. Okay. Viona, say.
Ma'am, when you wrote that GN, I can't understand what you wrote.
GN?
Yeah.
Where?
You wrote GN. No.
Where? This is I. This is in. IN.
Oh, okay.
Capital I.
Capital I.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Navya, say.
Ma'am, see, I have made this.
Yeah, perfect. Very good, Navya. Thank you. All right. So we have done this. Okay. Viona is copying it. Till the time Viona is copying it, I'll orally tell you. And Viona, once you're done, write it done in the chat. So, guys, and Ronak, you also copy it because you were having some network issues. All right. So, everyone, pay attention. Mirror images change only the left and the right. Now imagine what will be happening in the water images. A very easy way to remember this is to remember that water images is the opposite of mirror images. Opposite of mirror image is water image. Opposite of water image is mirror image. That means top and bottom will change and left and right will remain same in the case of water image. What will the water image look like for this figure? I'll have to draw it. So I'll draw it a little tiny on the right hand side. This is my man with a circle on his left hand and a rectangle on his right hand. In the water image that is at the bottom, my legs will be at the top, my head will be at the bottom, but my left hand side will still be a circle and my right hand side will still be a rectangle. This is something which you will not change even if you are getting through the water image. This is something which you will not change even if you are going through the water image. And one more thing to add here, water image is not always called water image. They can write in the question that find the mirror image, but they will draw the mirror below or at the top. So that would mean what? That would mean water image only. Okay. Now, Viona, if you have completed the drawing, you will let me know. Vivan, say what happened. Navya, what happened?
I wanted to say that one time I went on a beach and was standing in the water holding two toys. I looked at myself and then I thought about something. I thought, why am I looking upside down? Then I realized that this is water images.
Correct, Vivan. Good that you observed it. Okay, Viona, are you done writing it?
No, ma'am.
How long will you take, sweetie?
Ma'am, can you give me 3 more minutes?
3 minutes. Okay, where are you? What are you writing right now?
Now I finish left and right.
Okay, that's fine. Then you are done. Just write change and that's over.
Okay. That red thing you wrote, I thought we have to write that also.
Okay, then you have to write that also. Water image is just the opposite thing. Write it in the same manner I am writing. You will remember it. Okay, right, Viona. Don't talk to me. Talking to me takes more time. All right. So by the time Viona is copying it down, I'll just, because she has covered the mirror image part, so I'll just delete this part and show you something. Okay. One thing is a very major confusion of few guys. Confusion number one is, ma'am, what if I keep the mirror somewhere else? That means, see, this is my man and this is my circle and my rectangle. What if I place the mirror over here? So if I place the mirror over here, my mirror image will still be the same as it was over there. A circle, legs, and the hand still having a rectangle here? No. Having a circle here, having a rectangle here. And if I keep the mirror over here, then also you will see that you will get the same figure with the rectangle on the left side and the circle on the right side, meaning that this and this are absolutely same. So no matter you keep the mirror on the left or on the right, you will still get the mirror image. The changes will occur when you will place the mirror at the bottom. Then that will become the water image. Okay. So keep this in mind while solving the questions. And once Vyona is done, we'll solve questions. Say Navya.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand a mirror image.
Okay, for that, don't mute yourself. In mirror images, only the left and the right will change, Navya. You are not going to change anything else in that. Okay, in mirror images. Fine. So here only the hands will change. The earlier we were having left hand with the circle, but now in my mirror image, I'll have the right hand with the circle. The right hand was having rectangle. Now the left hand will have rectangle, and that is mirror image.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. If we place the mirror in the bottom, so what will it become?
That will become a water image.
And if we place the mirror on the top,
That is also water image.
Ready?
how, ma'am?
See, I'll show you that. One second. So this is U in the middle, a smaller U with a circle and with a rectangle. I made a water image at the bottom. I got my legs here, my head below, but my circle and my rectangle at the same place. Now, if I put a mirror at the top, then my head will be over here. My legs will go at the top. My hands will still hold the circle on the right, left side and the rectangle on the right side. So this image and this image are absolutely same, Navya. Okay. All right. Thank you. Vyona, done now. I am moving to the next question. Done, Vyona?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, let's move to the first question for the day. Here we have a diagram based question. So you see a D and a D inside another D. Now when we are trying to find out the mirror image, what will be the answer for us? Find. Wow. So many correct answers. I'll only point out the name whose answer is wrong. So Kirtana, you need to check your answer. Rest all who answered so far is right. Do not repeat your answers. Kirtana, now it's correct. Okay. Fine. Rest all are right. Very good. So you people are champs. Navya. Okay. Okay. Nice, everyone. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Atharv, check your answer. Option D is exactly same as the given figure. So not my answer. Option C and option A will not be my answer because the inner figure and the outer figure are not matching with each other. But they are matching with each other in the question figure. Good, Sachi. So what will be my answer? My answer will not be C. My answer will not be A. My answer will be B. How will you understand it? See what happens in the case of D. There is a single line. So this line is on the left and the curve is on the right. So in my mirror image, the line will be on the right and the curve will be on the left. So that makes it the answer. Any doubts, anyone? Question number 1. Yes, Fiona. Say.
But how can B be the question? I didn't understand.
You look at the outer D. Outer D is written like this. So here, Fiona, this line is on the left and this line is on the right, the curved line. So as per the rules of mirror image, the left and the right will change. So this will come on the right side and this curve will come on the left side. So this is what your mirror image of outer D will look like. And similarly for the inner D also, you will have the same image with lines inside it. Okay, Viana. Thank you. Moving to the next question. Question number 2. Again, a figure-based mirror image question for you guys. Okay. There are multiple answers I see. A and C. A and C is where people are getting confused. Mirror image. Top and bottom remains the same. So those who are saying C, that's not right. Why? Because of the pink color. Pink color, where is the pink color? It's in the top left corner. What changes in the mirror image? In the mirror image, top remains top and left becomes right. So which option has the pink color on the top left side? No, no, no. So my answer is A. Leela Kant, check the options carefully. My top and bottom will not change, but my left and right will change. So that is my answer. Now listen very carefully, everyone. No one will panic out. Listen very carefully. We have to do more questions on mirror images, and we were not able to get started because we took Mira's questions in the middle. Then we did some discussion questions. So there were so many things, right? So that's why we were not able to complete this, but that is not a problem. Tomorrow morning, we will be doing mirror images questions. And once we finish that, I will be sharing you the test link as well. So remind me that we will be sharing, I will be sharing you the test link, test 2, which is the test on direction sense test and mirror images. All right. And then nothing else. Okay. Fine. Till here, any doubts, any questions in this question? No, ma'am. We understood everything. Navya wants to ask something. Yes, Navya, say.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand this question.
Navya. So, were you there when we were making the drawings? You were there. So, you tell me what is the mirror image like rule? Mirror image.
Mirror image means the top and bottom. The top and bottom will be same, but left and right will change.
Correct. So if right now the red color or the pink color is on the left side, where will it go, Navya?
Right?
Right. Here we do not have it on the right. Here we do not have it on the right. Now, since you said that top and bottom will remain the same, so it was on the top, right, Navya? So will it remain on the top?
In the down, in the bottom.
Top and bottom remains the same, no, Navya? So will it remain at the top only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now it is easy to check between A and B. B will be wrong because it is going at the bottom. We don't want to change it at the bottom. We just want to change the left and the right. Okay. Okay. Shiven, quick.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Shiven, we are already, it's time, Shiven.
Ma'am, I think I showed the Easter egg.
Thank you, Shiven, but I'll see that later, okay? Because we are running out of time already.
Tomorrow morning, okay. Ma'am, this
Yeah.
is how to close it.
Which one?
Ma'am, that last one. To close it.
Which one?
Ma'am, my emoji.
Oh, you are not able to close that. That will go away. Don't worry. That will not.
It will go on its own.
Yeah, it will just go back on its own. Just stop pressing on it anymore. If you keep pressing, it will remain. Yeah, it went. Okay. Fine, Shivansh. All right, then. So, with this, don't worry. You are not supposed to do the exercise of mirror image, water image today. Let's finish it on Sunday and then you can do the exercise. Or if you are free and want to do it, you can try it out also. Okay, we'll not discuss that. We'll discuss it on next session. All right, then. My last question for the day. How was the class? And with this, I will say a bye bye to all of you. So, and yes, Navya, say what happened. Doubt.
Ma'am, I like this class.
Oh, thank you, Navya. You could have written that in the chat as well. Thank you, Shivena Moka Swarnim. Well, I'll meet you tomorrow 10 a.m. So be on time. All right. We will
And you
meet.
are so cute.
Thank you, Navya.
Ma'am, this class was good.
Okay. Thank you. All right then. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Happy summer holidays, ma'am.
Oh, I don't have any holidays. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.